Chevy Super Dealers.
All right, the Kaukuana Electric City Christmas Parade is now well underway. Everybody's in the Christmas spirit, and the kids are loving the candy that's being thrown out. Of course, we're waiting for Santa Claus to get here. He's the star of the show, although I think this guy could be the runner-up, definitely. And Santa Claus, who's going to wrap up the parade here when it comes to an end, brought some North Pole weather to Kaukuana this evening. There's no doubt about it. I mean, seriously, feeling more like the middle of winter than early December. We already know that the Oshkosh parade was canceled for Thursday night due to cold weather. Thankfully, not quite as cold tonight, so the Kaukuana parade continues this evening. And what a sight it is. It's really, really cool to be down here for this. All right, temperatures today in the upper teens to lower 20s, a good 15 to 20 degrees below normal in some cases. Right now, we're looking at really the warmest temperatures of the day. We've got a frontal boundary that's approaching from the west, and we're getting just a little bit of warm air squeezing north of that. And when I say warm air, I'm talking about, maybe mid-20s by midnight in a couple of spots. It's crazy how everything is so relative. I'm already talking about mid-20s being warm. All right, 19 degrees right now in Green Bay. Here in the Fox Cities, we're looking at a temperature of 21. We've got southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, so wind chills are definitely making it feel colder. It is flurrying here in Kaukuana, but there's a larger area of light snow and flurries off to the west. That's going to push in here later on tonight into tomorrow morning ahead of an Arctic front. You can see on Skycast or the high-res future radar that that snow will move through the area throughout the night. Should be mainly out of here by daybreak on Wednesday, and I think it's going to be very similar to what we saw yesterday. Most spots ending up with about a half an inch of snow, which is going to make the roads slippery across northeast Wisconsin. That snow developing ahead of an Arctic front, which is coming in two pieces. South and east of that system today, temperatures range from the teens to the 40s, but north of it, up across central Canada, in the middle of the afternoon, temperatures were in the teens and 20s below zero, so not quite that cold here in northeast Wisconsin the next couple of days, but we're going to get a piece of that. Morning highs in the mid to upper 20s tomorrow morning, and then falling throughout the day with gusty northwest winds. In fact, by around 5 or 6 tomorrow evening, wind chills will already be around zero, going all the way down to around 20 below zero by Thursday morning. In fact, record cold is possible on Thursday. The record low in the morning is -8. The record low high is 15. So it's quite, possible that December 4th, 2025 could be the coldest on record since the 1800s, and there's really no end in sight to the cold air pattern that we're in. The jet stream is going to be conducive of blasts of cold air with some chances of snow in between. 20 degrees tonight and rising with light snow. Most areas end up with about a half an inch. Tomorrow, windy and cold. Some flurries are possible. Temperatures falling from that morning high in the upper 20s. My 3-degree guarantee is 27. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to the Oshkosh Area Community Pantry. We haven't done it yet. I forecast 23. I forecast that high to be at midnight, so hopefully happening within the next 3 to 5 hours. Your 7-day forecast calls for more of the same. What you see is what you get. On and off bursts of cold weather with the chance for some light snow from time to time as those systems move through.